Having a broken highlighter isn't much of a big deal until it gets all over your makeup bag and ruins other products, or you're too broke to buy a new one. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix a broken highlighter without using rubbing alcohol or anything else. The first step is to empty all of the product into a ziploc bag. You can use any plastic bag of this kind if you don't have one. I'm going to crush up all of the pieces as finely as I can using a spoon. And once that's done, I'm going to be spreading the product evenly back into the pan. I'm pressing the product in gently with the back of the spoon so that it's all even and smooth. Next, I'm placing a wet wipe over the pan and using the back of my spoon again, I'm pressing the product in. As you can see, our highlighter is completely fixed. I didn't use any rubbing alcohol or sanitizer or any liquid substance. The binders present in the product were enough to reshape the highlighter. There's a little fallout when you turn it over, but that's still better than all the mess we had in our makeup bag and vanity. So that was all for today's video. I hope this stopped you from throwing your broken highlighter away. Give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful to you and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you in another video. Bye!